Hi, welcome to Borila Studio. I am Mo, one of the designers from Borila Studio. You know, when Iris came into the world a couple of years back, I've decided to do stories and shoes for Iris so that she could look back and hear things about what was happening during her every stage of life. Things that are just relevant or maybe not, and things that's just happening around her. Because I thought this is just a quirky way, to document Iris' life and shoes apart from making this scrapbook with all the pictures of Iris in it.
Well, this was done when Iris was 1, and she would really enjoy making sounds of cats and dogs and the rest, but her chicken impersonation was spot on, and to think that she did it when she was only 1-year-old, she was like, oh, it sounded so real, and I knew right away that her first shoes is going to be chicken. I remember asking my mom, who was governing the country when I was born, and she was like, Dr. Mahathir? Okay, buta ingat. So this is about telling Iris, the Prime Minister of her home country when she was born.
So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I do for Iris' second year. I've done one before, so this is going to be Iris' second shoes, and I hope you enjoy it.
Well, that flowers on PM's head is the popular Snapchat filter, also to remind Iris, besides Snapchat being a must-have app on everyone's phone during that time, and that's also one way to get her to eat obediently. She would play with Snapchat on Mommy's phone while Mommy feeding her, her nasi. She gets a kick out of seeing faces suddenly turning into cats and bunnies. She liked it.
Who never knew how much I love you.
And I hope that you will enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it. So, enjoy. So, yeah, enjoy!